how to fix any effect on TikTok problem. So in today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with any effect on TikTok app. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps, open the apps, and then wait a few seconds. And now you have to scroll like this, scroll until you find TikTok, and then click on it like this, click on this force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on data usage, scroll, and now make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. The last step you want to do now is go to the Play Store and update your TikTok right here, as you can see. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you.